Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting nested exponents problem. And here's our problem. 5 power 4 and then power 1, then power 2, power 3, power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 0, power 1, power 5, and finally power 4. And now our task is to simplify this problem and find the value of this nested exponents problem. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Whenever we are dealing with such kind of nested exponents problem, we do not go from bottom to top. Instead, the correct way is going from top to bottom. So therefore, we are going to focus on this 5 power 4 first. Now let's put down 5 power 4, and that is going to be equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and that is going to be equal to, if we multiply all of them, that is going to give us 625. So therefore we can see 5 power 4 turns out to be equal to 625. And here's our next step. Now we are going to take care of 1 power 5 power 4. That is same as writing 1 power 625, since 5 power 4 is 625. And now we know 1 power 625 is same as writing equal to 1. So therefore this whole thing turns out to be equal to 1. And now we are going to take care of 0 power this whole thing. In other words, 0 power this whole thing equals to 1. So therefore 0 power 1 is going to be equal to 0. So therefore we can see that this whole thing turns out to be equal to 0. And now let's make an observation. We got a 0 right over here. So therefore, under the similar analogy, this 0 power everything is going to be equal to 0 as well. So therefore we conclude that this whole things is going to be equal to 0. And now let's focus on this 3. 3 power 0 is going to be equal to 1. So therefore this whole thing is going to be equal to 1. And now let's focus on 2, and then 2 power 1 is going to be equal to 2. So therefore this whole thing is going to be equal to 2. And now we are going to focus on 1. 1 power 2. We can write 1 power 2 is same as 1. So therefore this whole thing turns out to be equal to 1. And now 4 power 1 is going to be equal to 4. So therefore this whole thing is going to be equal to 4. And now finally we are going to focus on our base 5 and then power 4, and we can see 5 power 4 is equal to 625. So therefore we conclude that this whole nested exponent problem is going to be equal to 625. So thus, after all the calculations, our answer to this problem turns out to be equal to 625. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.